Welcome to this art course. My name is Cindy Wider, co-founder of drawpj.com and author of the Complete Drawing Certificate course. During my more than 20 years of teaching art, one of the most fun and popular projects that my students create is a portrait of a wonderful cuddly teddy bear. But don't let the obviously cute and cuddly charms of this fella fool you. As you create your bear, you will be gaining some absolutely valuable, solid fundamental art skills, which you can apply to just about any charcoal drawing project in the future. Here's what you'll be learning. First of all, I introduce your wonderful art materials and reveal the skills you'll need to prepare them properly for use. Next, we'll talk about paper and lay down the background on which your TED will be created. Once your background is ready, it's time to build your bear by breaking it down into simple shapes using the construction drawing method to make sure Ted's proportions are just right. After that, I'll show you how to erase some of your construction lines to reveal and refine the final outline. Then comes the really fun part, where we first get hands-on with the eraser to create furry highlights and then use charcoal to add furry shadows. Finally, you'll refine your new cuddly friend and add some finishing touches. But wait, every bear is unique, right? So I'll then show you some ideas and techniques for customizing and personalizing your bear. Then it's time to protect and preserve your bear, so I'll show you how to properly spray and store your wonderful new artwork. This course is a fantastic introduction to charcoal drawing, and in these videos I'm with you every step of the way. You'll be absolutely amazed at the results you can achieve with just a couple of pieces of humble charcoal and an eraser. So come on, roll up your sleeves and let's get going.